What's up guys, it's Joseph with APlusGarageDoors. In our last two videos we talked about lubricating the door and tightening hardware on the door. If you haven't seen those, definitely check them out. For today, we're going to talk about cleanliness on the door. In this part here is our track. This is where the rollers go through. Take your rag here and make sure it's free of debris, especially inside here. You can get a lot of gunk in there with wearing parts and lubrication. You just want to clear it out every once in a while. Go all the way through the track. Make sure it's smooth. Another part we want to always check is your eye sensors. These will often collect dust and grime. Give it the lens a good wash and make sure that the eye sensors are going straight. We get a lot of phone calls on this issue. Sometimes all it takes is a little dab of a rag and your lens are clean. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on garage door maintenance or repairs, give us a call.